Hi guys, we're talking about planets and the solar system.
Okay.
What's the first planet
What?
closest to the sun?
I don't know.
It's Mercury.
And
Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto.
okay. What next?
What's smaller than Pluto?
I don't know.
It's Siri.
Shiri?
Yeah.
So, don't forget.
Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like God. Thank you.